English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Subway ticket English conversation 50. I want the subway. I want the subway. I want the subway. I want the subway. Which station? Which station? Which station? Which station? Central station. Central station. Central station. Central station. One way? One way? One way? One way? One way please. One way please. One way please. One way please. The ticket machine. The ticket machine. The ticket machine. The ticket machine. How'd I use it? How'd I use it? How'd I use it? How'd I use it? Choose the station. Choose the station. Choose the station. Choose the station. Press this button. Press this button. Press this button. Press this button. Yes, that one. Yes, that one. Yes, that one. Yes, that one. How much is the fare? 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 $3. $3. $3. $3. Can I use a card? 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 Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Can I pay cash? Can I pay cash? Can I pay cash? Can I pay cash? Cash is fine. Cash is fine. Cash is fine. Cash is fine. Is the ticket here? Is the ticket here? Is the ticket here? Is the ticket here? It comes out here. It comes out here. It comes out here. It comes out here. Where is the gate? Where is the gate? Where is the gate? Where is the gate? Over there. Over there. Over there. Over there. Do I use this ticket? 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 Just insert the ticket. Just insert the ticket. Just insert the ticket. Just insert the ticket. Which platform? Which platform? Which platform? Which platform? Platform 2. Platform 2. Platform 2. Platform 2. How many minutes? How many minutes? How many minutes? How many minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Is this the train? Is this the train? Is this the train? Is this the train? Yes, that train. Yes, that train. Yes, that train. Yes, that train. Do I transfer? Do I transfer? Do I transfer? Do I transfer? No transfer. No transfer. No transfer. No transfer. How many stops? How many stops? How many stops? How many stops? 4 stops. 4 stops. 4 stops. 4 stops. Are the doors automatic? Are the doors automatic? Are the doors automatic? Are the doors automatic? Yes, automatic. Yes, automatic. Yes, automatic. Yes, automatic. What when I exit? What when I exit? What when I exit? What when I exit? Put ticket in the gate. 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 Does the ticket return? Does the ticket return? Does the ticket return? Does the ticket return? It is collected. It is collected. It is collected. It is collected. I understand. I understand. I understand. I understand. That helps. That helps. That helps. That helps. Is it busy? Is it busy? Is it busy? Is it busy? Morning is busy. Morning is busy. Morning is busy. Morning is busy. How about night? How about night? How about night? How about night? It is normal. It is normal. It is normal. It is normal. I will be careful. I will be careful. I will be careful. I will be careful. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. I will go. I will go. I will go. I will go. Goodbye. 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 Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.